Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Hyundai Kona steering wheel. This common anti-theft feature can sometimes catch drivers off guard, but it's simple to resolve. The steering wheel locks when the key is removed, preventing unauthorized movement. Don't worry, it's a quick fix that takes only a few seconds. We'll go through the precise steps to get you back on the road smoothly and safely. The process is quite straightforward. First, ensure your key is fully inserted into the ignition. Next, apply gentle pressure, wiggling the steering wheel slightly from side to side. While doing this, turn the key to the ACK or ON position. You'll feel the tension release, and the steering wheel will unlock. This simultaneous action is key to disengaging the locking pin effectively. Beyond raw power, the driving dynamics set these two apart. The BMW M2 is renowned for its nimble handling and engaging rear-wheel drive feel, making it a blast on winding roads. Its design is bold and athletic, reflecting its performance pedigree. The Audi R8, with its mid-engine layout and quattro all-wheel drive, offers incredible stability and precision, especially at higher speeds. Its striking, aerodynamic design truly embodies a modern supercar. To prevent your steering wheel from locking in the first place, develop a simple habit. Try to ensure your front wheels are straight before removing the key from the ignition. Avoid turning the steering wheel after the key is out, especially when parking. Parking on uneven ground can sometimes make the lock engage more firmly. By following these easy tips, you can minimize the chances of encountering a locked steering wheel again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.